Need a professional logo for your brand? I've used the new Wix Logo Maker to create one for my startup. I'll show you how. First, go to Wix Logo Maker. To start, I'm gonna type the name of our startup. Then I'll add our tagline. Gotta make sure it's catchy. It's for a travel app we're developing, and I want our logo to look dynamic and techy. Now check this out. I can tell Wix Logo Maker exactly what I like, so it understands our style even better. We're going to use our logo on our website, social media, and of course, our app. Drum roll, please. Wow, so many options. That's the one. The best part? I can make our logo exactly the way we want by adding another icon and some additional text. Now we're talking. We're giving away merch at a conference. With Wix Print Shop, we can print our logo on t-shirts, business cards, even mugs. Once they're finished, they'll ship right to our office. This turned out amazing. I love how it looks on our new Wix website. Go to wix.com Logo Maker and create your professional logo today.